remember this Phineas and Ferb episode in which Baldi divides into more Baldits every time he must make a decision? Well, maybe we can do the same with quantum physics. To embark on the journey of understanding quantum physics, brace yourself. And perhaps enlist a psychologist. Secondly, prepare to learn everything you know, because quantum phenomena happens in other dimension, doesn't follow any norm we know. An example of quantum physics is quantum superposition. Quantum superposition is like magic tricks for tiny particles. These little things can be in two places at once, or have different properties all at the same time. It's like they can be both a wave or a particle, thanks to something called wave-particle duality. When we are not looking at them, these particles act like waves, and they can be in various spots shown by math. But something happens when we check on them. The magic trick ends, and they act more like a regular particle. Even though it might sound unbelievable, experiments like the double-slit one prove that these things are real. In that experiment, electrons did things we didn't expect, showing us that these little things are full of surprises. To understand this magic trick better, let's look at the Schrodinger's cat experiment. Picture a cat inside of a box with a 50-50 chance of encountering poison. Until you open the box, the cat is both dead or alive at the same time, like a magical blend. However, when you open the box, this magical blend fades away, so the cat has either alive or not. Just to be clear, no cats are harmed during this experiment. It is just to show how strange things get on a really tiny scale. Think about quantum superposition like a fascinating idea from the quantum world stuff. It suggests that when we interact with these tiny particles, we can be in two different situations at once. Picture Schrodinger's cat. It's like the cat is both dead or alive at the same time. Although we only see one outcome in our daily life, quantum superposition suggests that there are different possibilities happening at the same time, creating different realities. This theory suggests that every possible event creates its own reality branch. Despite our limited awareness, we navigate a vast universe, restricted only by the possibilities we can perceive. With this idea, is there a probability that our world is like the Matrix movie? If this turns out to be true, it might be possible that our reality is created by a super advanced quantum computer. Even though it's not really likely, delving into quantum computing makes it all even more fascinating. It leaves with a cool question about what our existence is really all about.